Unbounce. So this is the interface of Unbounce, and all you do is you click on the create new button on the top right hand corner. They have got some great templates, and you can also buy them off third-party websites as well. These make it super easy and simple for us to create these landing pages. I'm just going to select one. Let's see. Let's show you a few examples. So you got a nice hero image in the background, a heading, the logo, call to action, the email sign up form, and the call to action button, a bit about of description about the chef, social proof, and you'll find most of these, the theme and the layout is the same, so you can customize these to your heart's content. You've got your headline there, your hero shot in the background. I like this form, the way they have overlaid with a tint of green on it. So this looks really cool. And see how the orange button stands out over this light green background. So I really like this. Then they've got a little bit of text, some icons and headlines, and about that person. So you will find loads of different templates. You can either filter them as a click-through template, coming soon, lead gen, consultancy. Let's go in there and see what we've got. So this is a click-through for page. So you got the headline. You can even have a little video in the header. All your logos or client logos. The other one is free consultation. Again, the orange button. I like orange color. It really stands out nicely. I like the way they've got all these icons. These icons add a little bit of interest to the page, and in the way they have laid this out for their customer testimonials, and that's about it really. And you'll find that only the logo is there, or the company's tagline you can put in. So you get the gist as to how these landing pages work. So I can either go and sign up, start with a blank one, or I can pick up any of these themes.